Small British firm Redwell Brewing were looking to make a name for themselves. But owners Patrick Fisher and Amy Hancock got more than they bargained for when they tried to trademark their brand. Despite only employing 6 other people and selling 5,000 pints of beer a week, energy drink makers Red Bull threatened legal action if they didn't change their name. Redwell, it seemed, was too close to Red Bull.
Kind of mind-blowing when it came through, obviously with Red Bull being such a huge company and the financial muscle they've got behind them, and telling us that they own the word red and, you know, the similarities with 2 L's in the end of the name. It was a very scary moment, and it did put a dark cloud over the whole project.
The company's named after this street in Norwich city centre, where the owners held discussions about what to call their brand. They settled on Redwell to reflect the local ingredients used to make their lagers and ales. They only started brewing in Norwich in eastern England in April. Redwell enlisted local graphic design students to create their logo and branding, and didn't want to give it up. When their legal dispute was publicised, the firm received messages of support.
People from all over the world have been calling the brewery. We've been interacting with tens of thousands of people on Twitter and Facebook.
They say the public backing helped them reach an agreement with Red Bull. Red Bull said in a statement, "We've no issue with Redwell maintaining its trademark for beer. We've asked that they don't use it for energy drinks, which we feel is a reasonable request. Redwell's agreed to this, so there's no longer any issue. They'll continue to sell great beer under the name Redwell."
There was no plans for energy drinks, Formula 1 teams, or, you know, sending men jumping from space or anything like that. We can continue to use our name, and we can continue to grow our brands and, you know, have T-shirts if we want to and points of sale. All these things that they weren't going to allow us to do originally.
Now Redwell's legal troubles are over, they've realised they may have a silver lining. They've been contacted by potential buyers from as far away as Australia and Mexico, and hope in time to take their beer from a street in Norwich to the rest of the world.